Hi friends, so today we'll see something very important topics. So we are going to calculate differences between two dates. So you would have seen that the first date is here and the second date is here. So I just taken some random dates, so 27th March and 2024 and 29 March 2024. The second column is the second row is 23rd March 2024 and again 29th March. So let's see how to calculate the day differences. We can find the date. So for that the formula is days, and you can use 360. If you are using the 360, that will give you the more precise information about the day. So let's use this 360, and it's saying that in date and in start date. So let's take any of the date of first date or second date. Let's take this one, and to use the column comma and use the second date and close the bracket, hit enter. See the date differences is 2. You can just drop down and you can find this date differences is 6. If you have another date, something like let's see that 3/27 2023, and it should be something like that. So let's see what would be the result. So we'll use 360 and this one, close the bracket and use. So this would be 362 days. So this would be the date, and this is the a small information, but it's very basic information while using how to calculate the date, how to calculate the day in between two date. So you can use this formula. Don't forget it. Days 360. Days 360 is the important formula for that. You can use frequently to calculate the date, day in between two date. Thank you.